The sum function adds up numbers and returns the total. We will go through some examples and look at the AutoSum tool. Let's get started. Negative numbers can be included. The sum of 4 and negative 1 is the same as 4 minus 1, which is 3. The sum of negative 100 and negative 1 is negative 101. And of course, lots of numbers can be summed together, including big numbers. This example will not work because the sum function requires at least one argument. This example will not work because the sum function cannot process or ignore text arguments. If the quotation marks were removed, the formula would still return an error. Here are a few examples using cell references. This example works because the sum function can ignore blanks and text within references. This example does not work because the sum function cannot process or ignore errors. It doesn't matter whether they are entered directly or within references. We can use range references. Notice that we get exactly the same results as we had with cell references. The sum function processes each cell in any range entered. We can include a mix of different argument types. Excel includes a button and a shortcut to include the sum function. The button is here and labelled AutoSum. It doesn't matter whether you click on the top half or the drop down on the bottom half, followed by sum. The sum function has been included, and Excel has guessed which cells we want to sum. It looks like this one cell has been guessed because it is the only populated cell next to the active cell, and then there's a gap. It looks like Excel has guessed this range to the left because there is nothing above the active cell, and it seems to stop at column B because there is a blank. Excel is in point mode, and we can update the reference with the mouse, or the arrow keys. We can also use AutoSum when a range is selected. AutoSum has been included in these cells. It looks like Excel has guessed that we wanted to sum each of the columns within the range. The shortcut for AutoSum is Alt equals, as you can see by hovering the mouse over the AutoSum button. You can always check the help article in your instance of Excel. My channel includes a function overview video that provides practical information on finding and using functions generally, as well as videos introducing other commonly used functions. The excelfinancialmodeling.com website has more free resources. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.